Graduation. It means a lot to me. You're all here. Each and every one of you. Next, I want to thank my parents, my mom and dad, for doing everything. I mean, I could get all mushy, I could cry, I could say how much I love them, I'm going to miss them, but that's private, and I will do that later. But I want to thank them for everything. They did all of this for me, and it means a lot to me.
You deserve it.
Thank you.
Yes, you would do it.
And I want to thank everybody else who's here. Each and every one of you is here for a reason. When my mom said, "Do you want to have a graduation party?" I said, "Yeah." And we sat down and made a list. And I named every single one of you because I want you here. Everyone in this room has done something that has made me me. So whatever I become, if it's a gas station attendant, or a neurosurgeon, or an astronaut, whatever it is, all of you have done it for me. And with your help, I've become who I am, and I want to thank you. And everything you've taught me will help me for the next couple of years, okay? And forever. Now, what I did was, at a lot of the graduation parties I've been to, a lot of my friends have asked friends to give speeches about them, like that sort of thing, just to like talk about them, talk about memories, and it's like nice, it's like emotional. What I decided to do, because I hate when people talk about me, I hate it more than anything. What I decided to do was, I made a little mix with my graduation present, my new computer. It's little clips of songs that I have a connection with a lot of you in this room, or not room, tent. So if you hear a song on this little mix, a little clip of it, and you're like, oh, that's mine and Keith's song, that's my thank you to you. Okay, so thank you everybody for coming. Thank you for teaching me what you've taught me, and you don't have to really listen to it. It's not good, I'm no DJ, but it'll play in the background, go about what you're doing, no one has to stop and listen and clap after every song. It's like 25 minutes long, just listen to it in the background, okay?
But when you hear this song, you'll know it's for you.
You'll know it's for you, and if you're like, oh, is this for me, then it's not for you. Enjoy it, thank you for coming, enjoy the food, thank you guys very much for catering and everything, and that's it. So thank you everyone.